Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to do this colorful dry brush and nail stamp design. And I'm using this white polish by Sinful Colors called Snowy White. This peach by Color Club called Hot 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 Pants. I hope I said it 3 times. This blue by Salon Perfect called Bahama Baby. And this purple by OPI called Do You Have This Color in Stockholm. So I already painted my nails with white polish, and I'm going to apply the colors randomly on my nails. Now dry brush is really easy and simple to do. You can do it with as many colors as you want. All you have to do is make sure that the brush has most of the polish off of it so that you have that dry brush effect. I just thought these colors together looked really pretty, and I see you guys really do like the dry brush, I guess because it's really simple and easy to do. Now, once I was done, I'm going to use my Buitee Collections O2 nail plate. I'm going to apply black stamping polish onto this circle design. I just thought this design was so pretty. And I just seen, once I applied, as you can see, the stamp onto it, it just brought the whole look together. It just gave it such a fun look. And I absolutely love how this design came out. Now, once I was done, I removed the liquid latex, I cleaned around my nails, and I applied a quick dry top coat. I hope you like this video. I see you guys really do like it, and I guess because it's really simple to do. I hope I made it easy for you guys to recreate if you want. Here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates on when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.